Hi everyone, welcome to my weekly trading forecast. Today is the 23rd of December 2019. Alright, so let's talk about the major market movements as of current and from last week. So the euro dollar had a fake break at the top of a 80-month falling channel, and the price has fell extensively last week, and currently it is seen supported in the demand zone from 1.1092 to 1.1050. Now the dollar index has also broken below the bottom of the 18-month rising channel, but it has put back and for the entire of the last week, and is currently seen resisted at the supply zone at the 97.1 to 97.8. Sorry, this 97.8. There's error. Gold has completed over 3 months of consolidation and was little changed last week, but is still clinging onto the 3-month falling trend line. And as it seems right now, the price is attempting to break the trend line, and a trend could start anytime. Just remember that the gold has already completed 3 months of consolidation. A trend can happen anytime, sooner or later. Now the US 30, also known as the Dow Jones Index, has continued to break new high, and in fact 3 times last week for 3 consecutive days, and right now it's still currently seen rising, which I don't believe that it will keep on rising without any end. It's going to stop very soon, and most likely going to a consolidation. The US 10-year yield climbed last week as well, but it saw resistance and is at its previous high around the 1.95 region. Yeah, and finally, the Aussie dollar has broken above the top of a 12-month falling channel, and the price has recovered all losses last week as it rebounded off from the top of the previous falling channel. And as of current, the price is still climbing. Well, the break was a success, the pullback, and it got supported, and the price rebound, so it's likely to be moving in the uptrend, a bullish structure as of now. All right, so let's kick off with our first chart. All right, let's kick off with the dollar index, and this is the day chart. Maybe let me just move it to the week chart first. So in the weekly charts, we can see that the price is trading within the rising channel, and finally, 2 weeks ago, it broke below, and last week the price pulled back. Still yet to see any selling pressure, but right now we are seeing that the price is pulled back to the bottom of the channel, so the price could resume a downtrend very soon, and it all depends. So in the day charts, we can see that the price is now resisted in the very important supply zone, 97.7 to 97.8. So let me just highlight this area for you. Alright, so why is this a important supply zone? Firstly, we can see that there is actually a what we call a double top right here, okay, and the price fell, broke below the neckline right here. All right, it pulls back all the way somewhere to this level before it continues to fall and break below the bottom of the 80-month channel. So, which is why this area is a very important zone. All right, many orders could be trapped, and as price comes back to this level, there might be a very strong reversal. So we can also plot a trend line right here. So somewhere between this supply zone all the way to this trend line could be a good time for us to sell the dollar again. But however, if the price were to break above the zone, which is the first sign that the price might resume a bullish structure, and finally, if it broke above the falling trend line right here, then it could possibly means that the dollar is still strong, and it will face strong resistance right here, 98.4 to 98.6, and then from there we'll see what happens next. But as of now, the dollar is definitely still a bearish in the bearish structure. So within this area, we are still expecting the price may still start to fall again. Okay, so that's for the dollar index. And next we have the euro against the US dollar. So very similar to the dollar index, just that it is trading within a falling channel for the past 18 months, and there was a break right here, as we can see, but it was a fake break. All right, if I were to look at the 4-hourly charts, it actually broke above it, came down, and last week it just kept falling. So right now we are seeing that back to the day one charts, we are seeing that the price is supported within a demand zone, right, from the price of 1.1079, in fact 1.10992, all right, all the way to this level to 1.1050. All right, this is a demand zone for the euro dollar as of current, and it is also supported, by a rising trend line as well. So, well, price might go down a little bit right now. If we look at the 4-hourly charts, all right, it is still climbing slowly. Maybe somewhere when it comes to this price right here. Okay, there is a strong support and resistance level, definitely at 1.1110. All right, good number to remember. From here onwards, we can continue to sell the euro against US dollar, but if not, we will just wait for the price to uh, dip lower again. All right, somewhere at 1.1050 could be a very good price for us to go to buy. So that's for you for the euro against US dollar. Now next, I want to talk about Aussie dollar first. Now Aussie dollar has broken above a 12-month falling channel, and after that, the price has retraced, pulled back last week, but it got supported at the top of the channel again, and then it rebounded off and it starts to rise. So actually, if you look at the 4-hourly charts, there's a very good setup, a chart pattern for us to go and buy. You see, number one is that there's a trend line, and number two, it actually forms a ABCD. Okay, so which is why technically speaking, this is a very good setup, and the price indeed, okay, after it got supported right here at the bottom, just consolidated for a short period of time, and then it rebounded off, pulls back, and it just keep climbing upwards. And right now it is about to retest the top right here at 0.6926. All right, this is the previous high, definitely a important level for us to take notes. 0.6925 and to 0.6928. So if the price were to break above, then the next level that we will watch out for is somewhere right here. All right, this level right here. This is 0.708. Just make it 0.7, a whole number, right? Easier to remember. So if it's able to break above, then you might want to wait for the pullback and look for opportunity to buy the gain. So this is very straightforward, a very straightforward pair right now. Aussie is really strong right now, so we can really consider buy. And let's take a look at the gold. Now the gold, as I have been saying a lot of times, after 3 months of consolidation, there's most likely a trend. All right, just like what happens previously in 20th November 2018, and this year 20th Feb to 30th of May, 3 months as well. And right now started from 5th September, and 3 months of consolidation has been completed last week, 11th December. And right now we are seeing the price is inching upwards. It's trying to break above the 3 months falling trend line. So if it's able to break above today, then I guess we have a bullish structure right here, and we can really start to look to buy the gold. Of course, for those who have already bought at the bottom, at the range bottom right here, and you're still holding on to it, I think it's fine. It's a good trade for sure. And when the gold trends, it'll be very fast, very strong, with very little pullbacks. And if you got at a low price, then you should be making quite good profits for this trade. And so if we look at the 4-hourly charts, in fact, it is now breaking already. So if 4-hourly chart were to close above, well, it still has to test the top, the high right here, but I think it won't be too much of an issue. It will most likely break, but the problem is that right now, right here, there's an important supply zone, which could still hold back the price. But however, I believe that once it break above, it's about time. And if we have a chance, if it pulls back to this zone again, all right, back to this zone, then that's about 1483, 1480. All right, within this zone we should go and look for a buy opportunity for the gold. Yeah, we do not want to miss this trend. If it's trend, it'll be strong. Okay, if it breaks above the top or at least back to the top, I think that will be a very good profit to take. I think can go all the way to this level. You see, this is the break right here. So this is a very important level, somewhere right here. Okay, 1580. And if we were to go a little bit higher, then this level is very strong, somewhere right here. Okay, 1630. That will be the final price I'll be looking at. Yep, so that's for the gold, and this is pretty much for the week itself. Oh, maybe last but not least, let's talk about the US30 as well. Alright, so the US30 has been breaking new high. Alright, since few weeks ago, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and stop for the week, then 5 times, 6 times. Wow, 6 weeks of breaking of new high. And if we go to the day charts, we are seeing that the price is trading within a rising channel, and finally it is about to reach the top. So I do believe that it will be very contained, just like what happened in the previous pattern as well. You see the price went up before it reaches the top. All right, there's some consolidation before it picks again, just like here as well. So right here, the same thing, went up but haven't reached the top. It went into consolidation, pulls back, and continues to climb until it reaches the top. And what happened most of the time after it reaches the top is that there will be a short consolidation right here, same thing right here. So maybe once it reaches the top right here, you will go into a consolidation phase before we finally see the price coming all the way down. Okay, so this is what I foresee right now. That's going to happen for the US30. There's just no strong reasons to support the Fed, the US30 to keep on rising without stop, right? So, and it is very important thing to take note of US30 when it comes to trading the gold. So once the US30 has finished its boost, then very soon we'll see the US30 coming down, and that's where the gold will start to rise very quickly. And of course, hopefully, for the US 10-year, the US 10-year yield as well, Treasury yield, if it's not able to break any higher, even if it break any higher, it goes into this zone from 2 onwards. It's a very important level. It may get rejected and start to goes down very fast. So if these two things were to happen at the same time, then definitely we'll see a new trend, a new bullish trend forming for the gold. Okay, so which is why we always look at the US30 and the US 10-year Treasury yield when we are trading gold. All right, it's very correlated. So that's for this week itself. All right, so that's the end, and I wish everyone of you Merry Christmas in advance. Since it's Christmas, the volatility should be relatively low, but just watch out for the gold. All right, anytime a trend could happen, and you do not want to miss this trend. All right, so see you next time. Thank you.